Ask yourselves whether you know a lot about art and literature, whether you would like to learn more about art and literature. Then listen and remember. The aim of the lesson: learn new vocabulary, learn to describe works of art. Start from the vocabulary. Take your students' books, page 94, exercise 2. Contemporary art is the art of today produced in the second half of the 20th century or in the 21st century. Landscape, a picture showing an area of countryside or land. Oil painting, a picture painted with oil paint. Sculpture, the art of making objects out of stone, wood, clay, etc. Sketch, a simple, quickly made drawing that does not show much detail. Types of art: abstract art, graffiti, graphic art, pop art. Types of paintings: illustration, portrait, still life, watercolor. Do exercise 2. Write the words below in the correct category in the vocabulary A box. You have 30 seconds. Now check your answers. Types of art: contemporary art, sculpture. Types of paintings: landscape, oil painting, sketch. Name the types of these paintings. Portrait, watercolor, still life, illustration, sketch, landscape. Now check yourself how you understand the definitions of the words. Match the definitions with the word. Click on the pause, do this exercise, and check yourselves at the end of the video. Now look at exercise 3. Listen carefully. 1. Starry Night, Vincent van Gogh. 2. Girl with a Pearl Earring, Johannes Vermeer. 3. Black Square, Kazimir Malevich. 4. Café Guebois, Edvard Monet. 5. Splash, Thomas Mercier. 6. Still Life with Basket, Paul Cézanne. Now, match the works of art with their titles. Click on the pause, do this exercise. Correct answers are at the end of the video. Now look at exercise 4. Listen to 2 descriptions. Which of the works of art above are the speakers describing? 1. I like it. It's surprising and cheerful. I don't know what it means, but it made me smile when I saw it on my walk by the sea. It's made of steel and it reflects the sun. 2. This reminds me of a view I had on holiday from my hotel. I think this is an oil painting. I like the dark blue and the white. There is a village and a church and some mountains in the background. I can also see the moon and the stars. I love the atmosphere in this painting. Correct answers. 1. Splash. 2. Starry night. Study the speaking box. Listen carefully. What type of art is it? It's modern, abstract, impressionist. What type of painting is it? It's an oil painting, a still life. Can you describe the painting, drawing? It's a portrait of a young woman. There are some mountains in the background, in the middle. There are some lines, shapes, images. I like the colors, atmosphere. I can't make out what it is. Maybe it's unusual, simple, complicated, colorful. It reminds me of... Now look at this painting and listen to the description of it. I'm fond of art. I like landscapes most of all. I think this is an oil painting. In the foreground, you can see a boat and a river. In the middle, there are tall and spreading trees. And in the background, you can see some mountains. On the right, there is an unpaved road with the trees on the left side. It's colorful. I like the atmosphere in this painting. Maybe it's summer or an early autumn, because the grass and trees are green and the flowers are in blossom, but some leaves are yellow. It reminds me of a view I had on holiday in the countryside. Now look at your home task. Choose one picture and describe it using the speaking box. Send your description on teacher's emails. And now check yourselves. Thanks for attention.